Hello friends, as you all know, IIM Rohtak has opened its application form for the IPM program, and this video will be a guide to you as to how you should fill the form. So before you start filling the form, I'll just take you to the eligibility criteria for this program. And you can see this, anybody who has minimum 60% in standard 10th and 12th would be eligible for this program, and all those students who are even appearing for 12th, this would be your requirement. That is, you require to have a minimum 60% in 10th and 12th for general, OBC and EWS category. There is a 5% relaxation for SC, ST and DAP category. And your age should be maximum 20 years as on 30th of June 2025. So these are the eligibility criteria. And now let's go to the form filling process. So the first thing is you need to get to the IIM Rohtak website, which is iimrohtak.ac.in. Now, when you open this website, on the right side, you would see news and announcements. And in news and announcements, the second tab, you can read it here, registration open for IPM aptitude test. The next thing you need to do is click on this. So as soon as you click on this, you would be uh, seeing a page that opens, which looks like this, which is the login page where you can see a user ID, a password and a captcha. So when you come to the first time for this page, you scroll down and you would see a register here button here. Okay, since you do not have a user ID password as of now, you should click on the register here. And when you click on the register here, a new page would open, which would look like this. So you can just go to the important instructions, and that important instructions, once you go through it, you can close this and just click on I agree. Now in this, what you need to do is scroll down a little bit, and these are the details that you need to fill. So here, name of the candidate you can see. So enter your name here. And make sure that this name is exactly same as your 10th mark sheet. Okay, enter your date of birth, email address. So make sure that it's an active email address, which you check often, because you will be getting all the information in this email address. Just confirm that email address for you. Nationality, so you can select Indian, or if you do not have Indian passport, the others. Country of residence would be again India. Enter your mobile number. Again, this is important. Make sure that this is an active mobile number. You will get your all the OTPs, the passwords, and the information here, and confirm your mobile number. So enter this once. Okay, so I'll just enter the number here. And once you enter your number and you confirm mobile number, scroll down, and then scrolling down, you will get a CAPTCHA. Enter that CAPTCHA and click on I agree and the submit button. Now, once you do this, you will be getting a mail and also on your phone number that you have provided, which will be their login ID and a password. So this is your first step that you need to do, that is to register yourself. So once you have registered here, and you will be getting a details in your mail ID as well as your mobile number. So whatever user ID and password you have received, enter the user ID here, password here, CAPTCHA, and click on login. Now, once you click on the login, you will be directed to their application form, which would look like this, where you have to start filling your details. Now, in the application form, the first page would be on the left side, you would see personal details, contact details, disability details, present address, and IPL details. So let's start from the personal details. Application number, this is something that you will get in the WhatsApp, in the message or on the mail. Enter your name, that is, it will already be pre-filled. Date of birth that you would have filled in the while registering. Now, here are the details that you need to start filling it. Father's name, enter your father name here. Make sure that father name is exactly the same that appears in his identity. Enter your mother name, enter your gender, Marital status, obviously it would be unmarried. Category, so if you are general, select general, and for any other category, make sure that you have the certificate ready as well for that category. So I'm selecting general here. And nationality, as we have already selected, it is Indian. Contact details, since we have already entered, so it would be pre-filled. So a mobile number, email ID. You need to enter an alternate mobile number and an alternate email ID, and make sure that you remember what you have entered here. Next is, are you physically handicapped? So you can select no, and then your address details. So address, it is, remember the red asterisk ones are the mandatory lines. So you can uh, divide your address into at least two parts. So main address, address line 2, then country, state and district and city. So Ahmedabad would be, or the location from where you're filling the form. And then there is a question, is permanent address same? So if you click on yes, your the next part would get automatically filled, same as your correspondence address. If no, then you would have to fill the permanent address details as well. And here I would like to just ask you to pay attention here. So next question is, would you like to apply for integrated program in law IPL also? So if you are targeting only the management course, select a no here. Those who have given CLAT and they want to also try for IPL, then you can select a yes, but make sure that just don't select it because it is available free. It's only if you are interested in this course. IIM Rohtak is known for its management course, not for its law course. So make sure that you take a call on this based on your choice. After you have filled all these details, click on save and next. Now, when you will click on save and next, you will get a message which says data saved successfully, and go to the next thing, next page. Next page will be asking your academic details. So in academic details, first will be your standard 10th details. You need to enter your marks with up to 2 decimal places. Now, here again, you have to pay attention. What they are asking you is the best 5 subjects marks. So, and it is not compulsory that it should be the main 5 subjects. They are clearly mentioning that best 5 subjects. So let's say, for example, you have 6 subjects and your best 5 subjects comes out to be 90% and total is 88 percentage. You just select the top 5 scores and fill this. So 96.40 is what I have filled here. That is my 10th marks. The board, enter your board, Gujarat board, CBSE or whatever. Name of the school, year of completion. So now you would see that all those who are appearing for 12th would be having an year of completion as 2023, and accordingly you can fill this. Then select here marks obtained subject wise. So we will have to fill the marks of 5 subjects. So marks, subject name, marks you have obtained, and the maximum marks. So I have filled math, science, social studies, Sanskrit, and English, the total marks that I have got, and out of how much I have got that. So here you will by default get total marks obtained in 10th standard, which will be a total of what you have got, and total maximum marks will be a total of maximum marks that you have entered, and they will calculate the percentage on their own, and make sure that this percentage matches with what you have entered here. Otherwise, it will not let you go ahead. So once 10th K marks are entered, you can go to the 12th wale marks. In this, they have asked you a question. Have you completed standard 12th? If you click on yes, you will have to enter similarly all the marks of your 12th K best 5 subjects. And if you click on no, just select the board and the college name and you can move ahead. Again, here you will get an option of save and next. Click on save and next, data saved successfully, move to the next page. Now, next page is where they will be asking you city preferences where you want to give the IPMAT Rohtak exam. Okay, so it is 3 choices that they ask. Mostly you get your first choice itself. So you can select in Gujarat, there is only Ahmedabad available. So Ahmedabad could be your first choice. And you can look at based on your ease of travel where you want to keep the city choice 2 and 3. So I've selected the nearest possible ones, that is Jaipur and Mumbai. But however, 99% of you will get Ahmedabad itself. Yes, so then save and next again, data saved successfully. And yeah, the last part where you have to upload your photograph, signature, and a scanned copy of your 10th mark sheet self-attested. So photograph, just make sure that it has a white background and it is not older than the last 6 months. So you need to have an updated photo, and photograph, it should be 80 KB or less. So make sure that you scan it properly and then upload it. Same way on a white blank page, do your signature and scan it and upload it here. And 10th mark sheet, take a Xerox of that, sign it at the bottom and upload it here. So these are the three documents only that you need to upload. Once you upload that, all your documents and the data have been filled, and you will be finally getting your name and the registration fee that you need to pay here. So you can read this. The payment mode is online via payment gateway. And now I'll go to the bottom of this page. Again, you would see that I certify that the information provided by me is correct. Click on that, enter the CAPTCHA. So I'll enter that. And once you do this, you can have a preview of this so that you make sure that all the details that you have entered is correct. So you can just cross check. So you can see the photograph that I had uploaded would be visible here, white background here. All the details that you enter here would be available. So I didn't enter my father's and mother's name, but yes, you should enter it here and just check everything that you have entered. Once cross check it before you make the payment, and the signature would be available at the bottom. So this is the preview part. Once everything is correct, you can just close this. If anything is incorrect, go back and correct it, and then just click on the submit button. So once you click on the submit button, it will route you through a payment gateway, and then you can just select the payment mode. It could be a debit card, credit card, UPI, net banking, whatever it is. Select the mobile number that you want the information on. However, it's optional. So just mention the same mobile number and email ID that you have mentioned and the name of the payer. And then you can select your payment mode and click on proceed now. I hope you will go through this video, and any of your have any other doubts, you can get in touch with us. But I would recommend not to fill the form so early, because again, I've been telling you this, that 5th of May is the exam date for IIM Rohtak, and that is clashing with it's already clashing with symbiosis. So let's wait for a few more days till we get the clarity of all the other exams. Rohtak would most probably now not change the date. So those who have filled symbiosis would already be facing a problem as to which exam to give, even though Rohtak is in morning, symbiosis usually is in afternoon, but the same day having two exams would be difficult. So wait for a few days and we can have a timeline that which exam, which attempt we should be giving based once we have all the dates in hand. Right. And any other doubt, you can get in touch with us. You will be seeing our number here. Thank you, everyone.